Hey everybody, it's Nick with Connect English, and we're here today to give you 3 pieces of advice to help you enjoy Halloween in the USA. If this is your first Halloween in the USA, we want you to understand how to really have a good time and how to avoid some mistakes that a lot of students make when they do or maybe even don't celebrate their first Halloween. Let's help you enjoy it. So, number 1, my first piece of advice is wear a costume, dress up for Halloween, but make sure you're comfortable. Comfort first, okay? So, Halloween costumes are a lot of fun. Go to a Halloween store or put something together to dress up and participate in Halloween, but don't wear anything uncomfortable. For example, never wear a mask for Halloween. You can't breathe, you can't see, you can't eat, you can't talk. Never wear a mask for Halloween because you're gonna be uncomfortable the whole time. You want to be able to talk, eat, breathe, and just see really well, and a mask is going to make that really difficult. Wear something comfortable, such as a hat, okay? Some sunglasses. That's going to make you feel comfortable all day. You're not going to be having a bad time because your costume just doesn't feel good. Wear a costume that feels good to wear, okay? Something that allows you to still talk and breathe, eat and drink, and see really well. So no costumes with masks, but definitely dress up for Halloween. You're gonna have a great time, okay? Number 2, carve pumpkins for Halloween, all right? If you go to a supermarket and buy a pumpkin, you can carve it with your friends or carve it alone. It's so much more fun than you imagine. A lot of students think cutting vegetables, that's not fun. Actually, it is. Carving pumpkins is the second most fun thing you can do for Halloween. First most fun, wear a costume. Second, carve a pumpkin, okay? It's a really good time. Put a candle in it. When you finish carving it, you'll say, that looks pretty good, and I enjoyed that, okay? So carve a pumpkin for Halloween. And then piece of advice number 3 is make fun plans with your friends. Don't wait until the weekend of Halloween or Halloween night to start deciding. Talk about good plans with your friends so that you can decide together what you want to do. You don't want to wait until the last minute, make a decision, and then find out that your good plan, the party you wanted to go to, it's sold out. There's no space available. So make a good plan with your friends to go out and have fun for Halloween. For example, in San Diego, we've got the zombie crawl happening on Friday. On Saturday, we've got a yacht party on the bay, a big boat party everybody can go to. There's so much fun you can have for Halloween if you and your friends decide together. So, to review, my best advice for international students celebrating Halloween the first time. Number 1 is wear a costume and be comfortable in your costume. No masks. Number 2 is carve pumpkins. Alone at your house or with your friends, you're gonna enjoy it, I promise. And advice number 3 is make good plans with your friends before Halloween arrives. You'll have way more fun that way. Thanks for watching and have a happy Halloween.